Hey everyone. Well, it's been a little bit for an update on my 1950 Chevy truck. A lot's been going on. We got all our suspension parts in, so we're doing a 4-inch drop in the rear and a 3-inch drop in the front. So I got the drop spindles, springs, lowering blocks, all new front suspension, meaning upper control arms, sway bar links, brakes, rotors, calipers. Got the 4.3 liter V6 engine. I converted it over to carburetor instead of throttle body. We got in our new 700 R4 transmission. Sent that out, Corvette style setup with a 1-wire kick down feed thing. I don't know. But it's set up, and we got the running boards mocked up. I got the cab, cowl, and the roof painted. And today I decided to put all the passenger side stuff on so I could check out to see how the running board fits to the front fender. And then I had to make a filler panel from the bed to the running board. So I'm going to show you where we're at now with that, and then I'll show you the motor that we got finished up, and then we'll go from there. So give me just a second, and then I'll show you how it looks. So that's as of right now. I went down and I got this 10 by 20 portable little deal. A little easier, plus it was easier to paint the cowl and the roof under that tent, because I painted that stuff outside here at the house. If you saw the other videos, you've seen how I painted all the patina, so I won't go over that. There's the door. I got the door all painted. And then there's the running board, the filler panel that I made. So there it is. I got the wood bed all set into place. I took it all back out because I still have to put the gas tank in. I still have to do my lowering on the suspension, but these are my inside wheel humps that I made out of the fenders. They're just boat trailer fenders that I got off from Amazon. And then there's this side, and I'm just starting to work on this side running board. So I put on the fender so I could see how it matches up. But since I made the bed from scratch and I moved the rear fender so the rear tire was in the center of the fender versus moving the rear end forward as some do, I had to make up a gap. So this right here, this is the plate, but that's the gap I have to make up right there. So, like I did on the other side, I just made a piece and I welded it in. And I did go with a two-tone. So the roof is black. The engine bay. And then I followed it, the black two-tone, put it in a little patina right where it was all kind of rusted out. And then all these parts have been stripped down to the metal and coated for rust, and then epoxy primed, then sanded, then sealed, then you know the process if you saw all my other videos. So there's the truck itself. Let me show you the motor. And there's the motor right there, 4.3 V6. In my tiny little workspace. We went all through it. I ended up just going with the adapter plate, which turns throttle body into a 2-barrel carburetor. And this is the Ford style carburetor, 2-barrel, and then with the HEI distributor. Got it all cleaned up. And then right here next to my lawnmower is the new 700 R4 training. Right there. So that's what we got going on so far. Yeah. So hopefully within the next couple months, the motor will get dropped in. We'll get that running. I still need a few things there. I got to get the wiring harness for it because I'm making the harness for it. Some little things. I've got the original gauges that I'm going to be using. I think I just need a resistor for the fuel because they're 12-volt gauges, or they're 6-volt gauges, but I'm doing 12-volt system. So I just still have to figure out some of those kind of little things there. Just like the little nickel and dime things that they actually add up after a while. But that's where I'm at, and I'm having a lot of fun doing this for sure. It's definitely a love of labor on this one. I like turning something that was really nothing into something that's going to be awesome. So I will give you an update again once we get the engine all in and get that running, and then hopefully the next time you see me we'll be firing that baby up and just kind of take it around and shake it down kind of thing, see whatever else we need to kind of tweak here and there. But again, as always, thanks for watching, and you know, just get out there and build something, because you know, sometimes you can't have the biggest, hugest, coolest garage and all the latest gadgetry to build stuff, but really, if you have the passion for it, you will definitely, the things that you'll produce, it will be timeless. Again, thanks, and we'll catch you next time.